guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy but yet delicious fried chicken wings. To get started, I already washed and prepped my chicken wings, washed in lemon juice, and I have here some yogurt, garlic and onion powder, paprika, chicken bouillon, black pepper, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, and some creole seasoning. What I did was just added all of the seasonings as well as the yogurt to the chicken, mix really well until nicely combined, cover and allow it to sit for about 2 to 3 hours. So in this bowl, I have some all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and baking powder. I also have 1 egg that I'll be using. And what we'll do is grab about a half cup of this flour and just a little bit more. Then we'll add some water to that, mix until it forms a nice thin batter. Now I did not season my flour because I feel like it's not necessary. Like if you season your chicken really well, that seasoning carry over into the batter and you don't need to actually season the flour. I've tried the recipe many times and the chicken was perfectly fine to me. It was seasoned right down to the bone, and the actual seasoning from the chicken, it carried over into the batter. So next you want to add that batter to your chicken and make sure that it coats all of your chicken pieces. Then what we'll do is just coat it in the extra flour that was left, and we will carry on with this process until we're all done. Make sure that you preheat your skillet to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheat your oil, and we will go ahead and fry our chicken wings up. So now to the preheated oil, you want to add the chicken wings and just add a few at a time so as to not overcrowd your pot. You don't want the heat to drop and your chicken to become soggy. So we'll just add them in there and you'll allow it to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once they're nice and golden brown and they float up to the top, you know that they're done. But to make sure, you can check with a thermometer, and the internal temperature should be 165. Next, we will just carry on with this process until we're all done, and then I'll show you all the finished product. Once the chicken is done, you want to place it on a wire rack so that it's not sitting in oil and it can remain crispy. The wire racks can be found on my Amazon storefront for those that are interested. And here you have it, the perfect fried chicken. Now the sauce I'm using is made with buffalo, honey, and ranch. It is so good on this chicken, and I hope you all give it a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.